Hello everyone. In previous video we have covered introduction of Java. So today we are going to discussing about data type in Java. Data type is the most important part in Java. Without data type we cannot perform any actions or programs except print line commands. So let's talk about what is data type in Java. Data type is specifies size and values that can be stored in variable. So we are going to talking about types of data types in Java. There are two data type. There are two types of data type. First is a primary. It's also called as a primitive data type. Second is a user defined data type. That's also called as a non-primitive data type. In primitive data type, programming language is a statically type. It means all variables must be declared before use. So data type syntax is integer a is equal to 10 semicolon. Int is a data type, a is a variable, and 10 is a value. That value is stored in variable. It's a syntax of a data type. So in primitive data type there are two subtypes. First is numeric and second is a non-numeric. In numeric there are two subtypes. First is a integer and second is a decimal. In integer there are four types: byte, short, long, and int. First, let's talk about byte. Byte is size of byte is 1 byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. Byte is used for saving memory in large element array. And second is short. In short, the size of short is 2 byte. It's also used for saving memory in large element array. Then the third is long. Long has a 8 byte. Then fourth is an integer. Integer has 4 byte. In decimal there are two subtypes in non-numeric data type. First is a float and second is a double. Float has a 4 byte, and second is double. Double has 8 bytes. Coming to non-numeric data type, there are two data types. First is a character and second is a boolean. In character there has a 2 byte. There is a 2 byte of size, and second is boolean. Boolean is used for flag, for track condition is true or not. Coming on non-primitive data types, there are 4 data types. First is a string, second is array, third is inheritance. That's all about types. That are the types of types of in Java. Thank you.